everyone, welcome to Crypto Cave episode 1. If you like our content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Before getting into the news, let's see how the top 10 cryptocurrencies performed in the last week. We can see that most crypto markets were in the red zone. The reason for the bear market could be Indian crypto bill, on which we will get more clarity in the next week. Even though it's Thanksgiving week, bear market has occurred in the United States. Last week was observed as Bitcoin week in El Salvador country, and their president Nayib Bukele announced some jaw-breaking decisions. El Salvador to issue $1 billion in bonds of their assets to buy more Bitcoin and improve their Bitcoin mining. President confirms they are building world's first Bitcoin city, and this Bitcoin city will be the first fully tax-free city in the world. CoinDCX, India's famous crypto exchange platform, listed 15 new coins in the past week from 22nd November to 26th November on their service, like exchange tokens, stable coin, NFT coins, platform tokens, expertise service tokens. Out of 15 coins, Crypto.com coin and NFT coin will only be available in CoinDCX Pro. Please check the picture to know more about it. A small restaurant chain in Canada called Tahini's poured all of their profits into Bitcoin in August 2020, and now their return on investment is 460%. And they have used this 460% profit to expand their services by 3 times in Canada during the pandemic. Morgan Stanley predicts that metaverse gaming and NFT could be a $50 billion revenue opportunity for luxury brands by 2030. And before moving on, I'd request all of you to go and check our Instagram channel for daily crypto updates. We see bigger risks in not participating, says Commonwealth Bank CEO Matt Coleman to promote their Bitcoin services. El Salvador's president Nayib Bukele is going to speak in the Bitcoin Conference 2022, which is going to be held in April 2022 in Miami. The South China Morning Post released white paper for its own NFT launch, which is called as Artifact. Latin America's largest e-commerce company, Mercado Libre, to allow customers to buy Bitcoin via their app in Brazil. Mercado Libre is the biggest e-commerce site in Brazil and a rival to Amazon. We have to wait and watch if Amazon starts Bitcoin services in Brazil as a competitor. Binance is rebuilding their Dogecoin wallet to deal with user account freeze. This is led by Elon Musk with Twitter against exchange. Recently, Binance users who hold Dogecoin reported their balance was missing. OneRepublic becomes the first major US label artist to accept Bitcoin as payment for their shows. US regulators to provide greater clarity for banks on how to regulate crypto by early 2020. The Republic of Palau joined hands with Ripple to develop their own digital currency strategy. Before ending the video, we want you to know that we do not make investment advice of any kind, and these videos are only for creating awareness about cryptocurrency. And before leaving the channel, please do check out our other video about the cryptocurrency regulation in India. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do check out our Instagram page for daily crypto updates. The link is in the description. Bye bye, take care and have a great week ahead.